Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello guys. Let me introduce my name is ELSA ISTI KOMA from Stigmi IKMI Cirebon. TIS 3 2019 class. Okay, I will try to make a procedure text that explain about printing Bpjs employment participant contribution in the company. Before continue my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. First, open the Bpjs employment on Google application, and then type Bpjs employment. Next, click on company or employers and select SIPP. Okay, next, enter the email and password already registered. Waiting for a minute. And then click calculate fees after the process is complete. Waiting for a minute. Click finalize. And wait for a minute. The payment code and total payment will appear. The last, print proof of Bpjs employment by a printer connected to a computer, and then Bpjs employment can be paid at the bank or official place. about printing Bpjs employed among participant contribution in the company. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you and